My name is Hayley Valentine and I'm a registered nurse working in the critical care unit at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. Nurses work as part of multidisciplinary teams providing direct patient care. We work in a variety of healthcare settings and areas, everything from hospital wards, operating theatres, schools, prisons and patients' homes. A career within nursing means that every day is different. Depending on the type of nursing career that you choose, your work could involve in helping our patients overcome mental health barriers, nursing newborn babies, supporting patients with learning disabilities, or saving lives in our A&E departments. I joined the organisation 20 years ago, originally as a healthcare support worker. After finding the role so rewarding, I decided I wanted to become a registered nurse and to continue my journey and making a real difference in our patients' lives. I am today a quality and safety lead within the UHB, maintaining a safe environment for patients to flourish. My team are extremely caring, dedicated and proactive. I love working in critical care because of the teamwork. We deal with a variety of patients, often people who are very sick, and to think that we can help and assist these patients in their journey and during their time with us is something very special. I stay in my current role because I still have the passion to help patients and make a difference to their lives, and I'm very proud to be a registered nurse within the NHS. 3 words I would use to describe my workplace are safe, open, diverse. We are the NHS. Choose nursing.